You are watching Times Now, and even as Tarun Tejpal attempts to further discredit the journalist victim, the chorus for his arrest and action against Shomar Chaudhary is growing, even as Tehelka makes futile attempts at delayed internal probe into the sexual harassment charges.
Protests in New Delhi demanding the arrest of Tarun Tejpal. While on one end, the disgraced editor-in-chief of Tehelka attempts to discredit the victim, the Tehelka group is attempting to pull off a delayed probe into the sexual harassment charges.
Tehelka as an organization, as an institution, should have had a sexual harassment committee in their office. It is not just about addressing the problems when it happens, but it is largely to do with the environment and how you promote gender justice.
Claiming that it is trying to persuade eminent lawyers and activists to be part of its internal probe panel, but most of them have recused themselves, the latest being noted author Urvashi Butalia. Tehelka claims the journalist victim was not complying with the internal investigation by refusing to attend phone calls made by the management. An investigation which has become clearly redundant now that the due process under the law has begun.
Shomar Chaudhary is a lady and the victim is also lady. But she can't get the support from a lady who is the managing editor of the Tehelka.
Clearly, the pressure on Tehelka as the clamour for Tarun Tejpal's arrest reaches its peak. Bureau Report, Times Now.